Did you know that doctors have a simple and powerful secret that many of us are still unaware of? Imagine a natural remedy that can improve your digestion, strengthen your immune system, and even help with physical performance. We're not talking about expensive medications or complicated treatments, but something you probably already have at home: baking soda water. That's right. Behind closed doors, many health professionals use this combination to take advantage of its incredible benefits. So, get ready to discover how this simple combination can become a powerful ally in your daily life. 1. Improves digestion and relieves heartburn. Imagine finishing a delicious meal without that uncomfortable burning sensation in your stomach. Baking soda water might be the key to this. When consumed, it acts as a natural antacid, neutralizing excess stomach acid. This helps relieve symptoms like heartburn and indigestion, providing almost immediate relief. And best of all, it's a simple and affordable solution. Moreover, this combination can assist in digesting heavier foods, preventing that uncomfortable bloating we sometimes feel after eating. By balancing the stomach's pH, baking soda water facilitates the digestive process, ensuring that nutrients are better absorbed and that you feel lighter and more energized after meals. 2. Aids in body detoxification. Every day, our bodies are exposed to toxins present in the environment, food, and even the products we use. Baking soda water can help combat these invaders, acting as a natural detoxifying agent. When consumed regularly, this mixture helps eliminate accumulated toxins from the body, especially through the kidneys. Baking soda acts as an alkalizing agent, meaning it regulates the body's pH, making it less acidic and creating an unfavorable environment for the proliferation of harmful toxins and bacteria. This can result in a stronger immune system and an overall sense of well-being. 3. Fights urinary tract infections. If you've ever suffered from urinary tract infections, you know how painful and uncomfortable they can be. Baking soda water can be a natural alternative to prevent and alleviate the symptoms of these infections. As mentioned earlier, baking soda helps alkalize the body, and this includes the urinary tract. A less acidic environment makes it difficult for bacteria that cause urinary tract infections to proliferate, reducing inflammation and pain associated with this problem. Drinking baking soda water at the first sign of infection can help relieve symptoms and, in some cases, even prevent the infection from worsening. However, it's important to remember that in more severe cases, medical supervision is essential. 4. Enhances physical performance. For those who engage in physical activities, baking soda water can become a valuable ally. During exercise, our bodies produce lactic acid, especially in intense activities. This acid is responsible for the sensation of fatigue and muscle soreness we feel after training. And that's where baking soda comes in. Drinking baking soda water before training can help neutralize lactic acid, delaying muscle fatigue and allowing you to train longer and more intensely. Additionally, this practice can speed up post-exercise muscle recovery, reducing soreness and allowing you to recover more quickly for your next session. 5. Helps oral health. Oral health is fundamental to overall well-being, and baking soda water can lend a hand here too. Baking soda is known for its mild abrasive properties, which help remove surface stains from teeth, promoting a whiter, brighter smile. But the benefits don't stop there. By balancing the pH of the mouth, baking soda water creates an environment less conducive to the growth of bacteria that cause cavities and bad breath. Regular rinsing with this mixture can help prevent dental problems and maintain gum health. Baking soda water is a simple, inexpensive, and effective solution that can bring a range of benefits to your body. From improving digestion to boosting physical performance, this combination can become a powerful addition to your healthcare routine. However, it's important to remember that excessive consumption of baking soda can have side effects, such as electrolyte imbalances and gastrointestinal discomfort. Therefore, moderation is key, and it's always advisable to consult a doctor before incorporating new habits into your routine. So, did you like learning how baking soda water can bring so many benefits to your body? Now that you know this secret, how about starting to include it in your routine and feel the difference? If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. And before you go, here's a warning. Did you know that some common medications may be harming your kidneys without you realizing it? Click on the video appearing on the screen now and find out which medications these are and how to protect your health. Don't miss out.